Michael Simona Williams is actually a professional model and she has traveled around the world and modeled for several magazines. While competing at Miss Universe Jamaica, she was pursuing her degree in marketing and psychology. She looks radiant in her all photos. Asia Branch, Miss USA 2020. She's not much into social medias because of sash factors. She made to top 90 in my list. Elizabeth Hulda, Miss Universe Iceland 2020. She works in charity and also her own community helps immigrants to learn Icelandic languages so they can successfully enter into job markets and also educational systems. Fun facts is she knows 5 different languages. Because of continuous 2 times placement, Iceland could possibly pull another placement this year. Sarita Rath is a Miss Universe Cambodia 2020. She's an actress, model, presenter, and also a brand ambassador for several brands in Cambodia. Moreover, she's so beautiful, radiant, and charming, and also a good speaker. She can possibly get a placement at Miss Universe stage this year. Clara, she is appointed as Miss Universe Czech Republic 2020. She's always confident, determined, and passionate towards her work. Because of this, she won Miss Earth Water 2019 title. Because of her pageant experience, she could possibly get a placement for Czech Republic this year. Bianca Tresin is a Miss Universe Romania 2020. She's a professional model and a business woman. She is volunteers at various organizations and also works as an advocate for children's education. She's also represented Romania at Miss International and Miss Supranational. With her pageant experience, she can pull a placement for Romania at Miss Universe stage. Aman Jane British is a Miss France 2021 winner is gonna represent France at Miss Universe 2020. She's passionate about dance and also about cooking. She's also passionate about her goals and dreams. And whichever international stage she represents France, she wants to give her the best. When recently Miss France won Miss Universe 2016, so we could expect Amanda to give a placement or could possibly a crown to France this year. Laura Oreskova is going to represent Colombia at Miss Universe 2020. She has a degree in social communication and journalism. She loves to talk about things with people and understand them better, and also loves to share with people and attend events, and much more helping others who is in need. She's also an animal lover. She's not new to this pageant world, so with her experience and also Colombia placed 4 times in 5 years under MGI era, she could place higher in this Miss Universe competition. Estefania Torres has appointed as Miss Universe Puerto Rico 2020. She has obtained her bachelor's degree in foreign languages and master's degree in intercultural meditation with a sociological, anthropological, and gender perspective. She is also involved in beauty pageant world when she was young and also interested in fashion, artistry, and aesthetic. She is fluent in Spanish, English, and French. Because Puerto Rico has managed to get top 5 in last 2 years, she could possibly get a placement this year as well. Ayu Maulida is going to represent Indonesia at Miss Universe Stage 2020. She has a bachelor's in law and also she won a title of 2019 Asia Model Festival and Face of Asia 2019. So we can expect her to give a stunning performance at Miss Universe stage. And the big advantage for Ayu is the Indonesian fan base. With pageant followers support and her performance could actually make Indonesia proud this time as well at Miss Universe stage. Janik is going to represent Peru at Miss Universe 2020. She's a model, beauty queen, audio engineer, and also a music producer, and also a co-founder of the record label Top of the New York. She's also a part of non-profit Little Heroes Peru, which helps children who have been victims of sexual violence. Also are not new to pageant world, where she represented Peru at Miss Tourism World 2018, also at Supranational 2019, where she was emerged as third runner-up. So for sure she will give extraordinary performance at Miss Universe stage. At the final night, if everything turns into her side, she could possibly clinch that Miss Universe crown. Nova Stevens is going to represent Canada at Miss Universe 2020. She is a model, actress, spokesperson, mentor, and activist wishing to bring a change for her country and for the people from her culture. She started her pageantry since 2014. Being a supermodel, we could expect her to give astonishing performance at Miss Universe stage, and she's also an excellent speaker. And also Canada has placed three times under MGI era, so we could expect Noah to give an excellent performance and also make get a crown. Julia Gama is going to represent Brazil at Miss Universe 2020. Julia has studied up to the third year of her chemical engineering degree. Later, she decided to give her artistic skills a little more attention. Coming to pageantry, she represented Brazil at Miss World 2014 and placed in top 11. Later, she started working as a professional model and actress for the next 3 years. Julia has a lot of pageant experience compared to other candidates, so this makes her stand out from others. And also, Brazil is doing great at Miss Universe pageant. She's also known for her speaking skills, so we could expect Brazil to get its crown with Julia. Danielle Nichols is going to represent Chile at Miss Universe 2020. She is an actress, TV presenter, and a professional makeup artist. And I'm very little uncertain about her education, whether she has pursued her journalism and sign language degree or is she still a student. And also, we could say she's currently completing a diploma in business and retail. She's also an avid preacher of self love and acceptance, which she does through her social media account. She wants to use the platform given to her to be a voice for women who are made to feel that they don't belong somewhere. And Danielle Nicole is always charming in her photo shoots, and we could expect her to give an extraordinary performance at Miss Universe. So she will certainly makes Chile people proud at Miss Universe. Amanda Obdam is gonna represent Thailand at Miss Universe 2020. She has bachelor's degree in business administration. She has started her pageantry in 2015, and in 2016 she won Miss Tourism Metropolitan International. Besides that, she has a most ravishing and stunning face compared to other contestants, and we could expect her to give a stunning performance in both swimsuit and evening gown competitions. And she also get a huge fan support from Thai people. One more thing is Thailand is continuously placing in MGI era, so we can expect Amanda to place this time as well, and also make clinch that prestigious Miss Universe crown. Rabia is going to represent Philippines at Miss Universe 2020. She has a Bachelor's of Science degree in Physical Therapy, and also she works as a lecturer and review coordinator. Rabia has struggled a lot financially while growing up, but she put a lot of hard work in education to get a degree. She is also actively helping medical frontliners in Iloilo through various charities and NGOs. Apart from this, Philippines always had given her best performance in at Miss Universe stage. Not only Miss Universe, all international pageants with huge fan base, and also her extraordinary performance and her speaking abilities can pull Philippines a placement and maybe a third crown in the decade. Natasha Joubert is gonna represent South Africa at Miss Universe 2020. She has a Bachelor's of Commerce degree in Marketing Management. Coming to pageantry, she has um, awarded with fourth runner-up at Miss Global 2016. So with this, we could expect her to give extraordinary performance at Miss Universe stage. And coming to her speaking skills, she always speaks from heart. So which makes us to listen towards her. And also South Africa has placed top 2 in last 3 years with 2 crowns. So it's hard to get back to back crown, but I don't say it's difficult for Natasha to get that crown again for South Africa. Adeline Castellino is going to represent India at Miss Universe 2020. She has bachelor's degree in business administration. Coming to social works, she has worked with a welfare organization called Vikas Yoga Pratishthan, which functions to provide a sustainable livelihood for farmers in order to curb farmer suicides and inequality. Recently, she has organized a fundraisers in order to provide the donations to agricultural resources centers. Through this, she is aiming to apply agricultural machineries to women self-help groups and also train women to utilize these equipments. Along with, she looks radiant in her all photo shoots, and with her eloquent speaking skills, India could possibly uh, clinch that prestigious Miss Universe crown. Andrea is going to represent Mexico at Miss Universe 2020. She has a degree in software engineering and also worked as a software engineer with her career as a model. Coming to pageantry, she started her pageant in 2016 and she also placed as first runner-up at Miss World 2017. Placing such higher in a big pageant is a more advantage for Andrea, and also we could expect her to give a best performance at Miss Universe stage. Coming to her speaking skills, although she's a good speaker, and also Mexico is doing great at Miss Universe stage. So it all depends on final night. If she gives her best, she could possibly pull the crown for Mexico this time. Maria Tathal is gonna represent Australia at Miss Universe pageant. She is a model, beauty and fashion stylist, and also she has her own YouTube channel. And also Maria has degrees in psychology and management and currently works as a talent acquisition professional with the Victorian government in Melbourne. And she's an advocate of inclusion and diversity. Besides, she looks stunning in her all photos, and also she has a great body, so we could expect her to give great performance in swimsuit competition. And coming to question and answer, she is one to beat for everybody. That's why Maria is my bet to win Miss Universe crown this time. Sorry if I said any representative name wrong. Being from another part of the world, it's hard to say everyone's name properly. So sorry once again. Every girl wants to represent their country beautifully at universal stage, but only few of them can make into top 20. But there will be only one potential girl who can win the Miss Universal title. But ultimately, we should celebrate the universal win.